Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to update your beneficiary information on your Geico life insurance policy in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is to log into your Geico accounts. You could do that on the online platform, that's the Geico website, or you could choose to do so on the Geico mobile app. Now, once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on policy details, and then you're going to select beneficiary information. Next, you're going to select the beneficiary that you want to update, and then click edit beneficiary. So go ahead from the list of beneficiaries you have and click the specific one that you want to update and edit beneficiary. Next, you're going to enter the new beneficiary information. So go ahead and enter the new beneficiary information, edit what you need to edit, and once you're done, click save changes. And you can review and confirm the changes just to make sure that everything went smoothly and it's accurate. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to update your beneficiary information on your Geico life insurance policy in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.